Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use the AI AutoCut in Filmora. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. Once you are done with that and you are in the home page, you can just press on AI AutoCut and you can just select a picture here, press on the checkmark symbol, and all you need to do now is just press on generate and you will be able to AutoCut that picture. Now in my case, I'm not subscribed to the premium subscription, so I can't show you a clear example, but it will basically AutoCut your picture. Um, Essentially, it will AutoCut basically the unnecessary parts of the picture, so to say, in short. So you can use that option when it comes to pictures that you have maybe an unwanted background or something similar. So that's pretty much it really. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.